My name is John Bavor from Western Sydney University in Australia, and I'm pleased to give you a bit of a preview of my presentation for ICELS 2022. I'm going to discuss in my presentation the important issue of can nature by nature water and ecosystem management survive in today's changing climate and general changes all around. So issues involve absence of management is not an option. We have to manage both water and ecosystem by community involvement. Community acceptance and adoption is essential. Funding, long-term thinking is required. Good designs are important. Long-term maintenance is essential. And you have to remember, even Tesla batteries need replacement. Good examples are needed. One is the Lam Pak Via Environmental Research and Development Project right here in Thailand. And you'll hear a bit about that from other speakers during the conference. Thank you.